Hello, my name is Elliot. I'm the Expropulsion Team Leader of Imperial College London Rocketry. This year to Euroc 2024, we've brought our 3-kilometre liquid bipropellant rocket using ethanol and nitrous oxide as propellants and pressurised using nitrogen. We have a distributed electronics ecosystem for controlling our rocket, so lots of different boards to control different parts of the rocket, and they all communicate on a common CAN bus. Our airframe is uses structural stringers. The tanks themselves are also structural, and our panels are all made out of glass fiber composites. For recovery, we're using a reefed parachute, so the parachute will start off small in the descent to come down faster, so we don't drift so far, and then it will open up to a larger size at the end, so we can slow down our descent as we make it to the ground. We also have a deployable 3U payload, which is using guided recovery, or at least a demonstrator of it, where the parafoil will corkscrew the payload down to the ground to reduce the recovery distance. Yeah, that's a synopsis of our rocket.
I see that there are quite a bit of differences from last year.
Yes.
For example, you've got a regeneratively cooled engine,
Yep.
and you're using ethanol instead of methanol. Why did you choose to switch from methanol to ethanol?
So originally we was using methanol for a couple of reasons. A lower OF ratio, so we had more headroom on cooling our engine, and it was also vastly cheaper as a fuel. We came into a lot more money this year, so we decided to move to ethanol because it's a bit more convenient to work with ethanol, and we've now proven that our engine can actually work on a variety of alcohols. It can work on methanol, ethanol, and IPA, so ethanol was more convenient to use for this year, so we moved to that.
Okay. Here you have the insulation for the nitrous oxide, I assume?
Yes, so this year we're actually subcooling our nitrous oxide a little bit to increase its density and lower its pressure so that our pressure regulator works better. So we're actually reducing its temperature to sub-zero, so the tank pressure will be at about 30 bar. Because of that, in the Portuguese sun, we don't want it to heat up too fast, otherwise we've got to keep cooling it down, so we get a little bit of insulation.
Okay. And